What's going on, everybody? It's Lucci here, back with another tutorial on how to use Vanquish Trader the 0-day way. Okay, so in this video, you're going to go ahead and see us introduce the Vanquish trading platform. This is one of our new partners. We'll go ahead and introduce them, what they're all about, and then we'll go ahead and dive into how to use the platform and how to trade the 0-day way, how to trade specifically our 0-day setups using this funded sim platform. Okay, so first off, what is Vanquish Trader? Okay, so let's pop over here. Vanquish Trader is one of the first prop firms to offer options trading. Okay, now that's obviously where St. Lucie and Wall Street Jesus, this is where we live. Options trading is our core. So we wanted to go ahead and offer our customers a better experience and access to capital that they may not have currently. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these plans here. They have both advanced options and basic options, okay? Now, inside the advanced options, you can actually trade spreads, you can sell condors, you can do calendars, butterflies, and all this kind of stuff, which you wouldn't be able to do on the basic options account. And I don't know anywhere else that you can actually trade complex option strategies on the street currently. Now, most people use the basic options setup, and that's basically just long options and long puts. Okay, long calls and long puts. Now, you can choose your different buying power here. 50K is a recommended amount. You can see you'll be billed at $250 monthly. And then when you go ahead and add to cart and you proceed to checkout, what you want to do is you want to throw in that 0-day coupon code. Okay, so when you add this coupon code, you go ahead and put 0-day in there. You apply it, and you'll get some cash off here. So you get about $160. For a funded account, $50,000. Okay, now once you've done all that, okay, you're going to get taken over to your dashboard, and this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Here, you're going to get listed all your accounts, okay, and then inside those accounts, we can kind of get some information, right? I haven't really traded this. I don't really trade this. I trade this for you guys here to kind of show you what's going on. So you'll get a breakdown here, your highest profitable trade, total P&L, commissions. You'll get how many days you've been trading, minimum amount of trades, what's your profit target here, and your consistency rate. We'll talk about all these as well. Actually, we'll talk about them right now. The consistency rate is super important. Okay, so this means that any one day or any one trade that you have, it can't exceed a certain amount, you know, in terms of you passing the eval. So again, let's say your profit target is $5,000, right? And you break that down into, 3 or 4 days, right? So you got to make around $1,200 a day kind of thing. Now, if you go ahead and make $10,000 in one day, well, that's going to screw your consistency rate up, because once you do the multiplication here, you're going to have to now hit a profit target of $40,000, $50,000 just to be able to pass the eval, okay? So you really have to change and adjust your trading strategy to accommodate the rules of Vanquish Trader and of this particular funded sim. Luckily, though, this strategy here that we have at 0-day is perfect for accounts like this, whether you're trading futures or options here. Okay, so that's your consistency rate, one of the most things to be aware of. Okay, and then up here you'll get all your equity peaks and remaining drawdowns here, max loss here possible. Okay, now, once you get through all that, you're going to click this trade button, and now we're going to get into the good stuff, okay? So now we're going to get into the actual platform, all right? Now, you want to set up your platform in a certain way here, okay, if you want to trade the 0-day way. Okay, so I have basically just three tabs open. You can open up as many as you want. One has a flat-out options chain. Okay, and this is assuming I'm going to be selling spreads, which I'm not doing today. And then my long options screen as well. So basically, I always have this queued up to either SPY or the QQQ. Okay, and then you can easily change your ticker up here. You go ahead and type it in, and click that, and then you'll get an options chain here that pulls up. So let's stay with the SPY. Okay. And let's say I want to go ahead and load a chart over here. Remember, we can link all of these widgets in different ways. So basically, I have this under a green one, and you can change this, by the way, with just clicking it and changing the colors as you need to. And then let's say I want to go ahead and short the market. Okay, so I'll go ahead and send this to my link group, and now all of a sudden I have a nice chart of that particular option. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on this trade bar. And this is going to give me my whole screen to basically select easily the amount of contracts that I want to buy, whether I want to buy market, place a stop, whatever the hell it is I want to do. Right now, I want to just go ahead and buy market here. So it's going to give me a quick confirmation screen. And now I know I'm long 5 contracts. If you take a look at the chart, it'll show you that you're long 5 contracts at $2.17. Okay? So we're going to wait on this option. Now, if I want to add on this, I can do whatever I want. I can place a stop order here. I can sell this straight in the market if I wanted to right now, and then so on and so forth. Let's say I want to go ahead and place a limit. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and place this limit, and then all I want to do is put a 5 lot at, I don't know, 240, let's say. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw it at 240. So now I got a 5 lot here at 240. I can even place a stop on this very easily, and I can do all this right on the chart, right here, using the access panel, which is the trade bar option. You can use trade limit, you can use these things as well. These are other kind of shortcut features here to use, but I would recommend this for anybody that's doing it. Okay, now you can get a little fancy here if you want a bigger screen, and you have a bigger screen. You can go ahead and just drop in another chart here, right? So anytime you want to drop in another widget here, you go ahead and you go ahead up here and then just drop in the widget that you want, right? So let's say I want to go ahead and throw in another chart here, right? I could throw in another chart here, and I can get this loaded up for the put side. So oftentimes in 0 day, we're trading both the calls and the puts, and we're waiting for extremes on either side, right? And that's where we want to go ahead and shoot. Okay, and that's where we want to go ahead and shoot positions. Okay, so for example, right now I want to short because the market's at a pretty extreme high, and I'm saying, okay, let's go for a short position. Let's see what happens. Okay, and again, you can link this to a different, to a whole different thing. So let's say I want to go ahead and pull up the Qs here. We go ahead and type in the Qs and pop these up, and let's say I want to go ahead and load, some call options here on the Qs, right? And I'll go ahead and load this one. I'll send it to this group. And then all of a sudden, boom, I get the nice feature here. Okay. Now, I like this to be wide enough so I can see the trade bar and I can kind of see what I'm doing. You can go ahead and right click on this chart as well. Right. So you can go ahead and right click if you want to go ahead and buy market, sell market, things like that. You can do whatever you want on the chart as well. But I like a nice quick feature where it's easy for me to go ahead and place orders here. And this, as you can see, is very adjustable. You can adjust these screens left, right, up, and down as you need to. The platform is very modular. Okay? So, as we can see, I'm still long this position. I have a limit to get out. And then if I wanted to, I can go ahead and just click this, boom, cancel the order, and then mark it out if I need to, change my limit if I need to. Very easy. Okay? Very easy to use this module. To go ahead and throw trades in and out and get yourself in and out of positions. Stop orders here, you're gonna need to. Okay, so you go ahead and throw out your stop order wherever you need to. Let's say I want to go ahead and stop out, I don't know, $1.97 here, right? So I go ahead and stop out $1.97 here just in case. Okay, and that goes ahead and protects me from the sort of downside here, just in case the trade goes the other way or goes in a unfavorable direction. Okay, and then I have my account screen here. And you can see my account screen is basically showing my orders, which you can actually throw your orders back in here if you want to. Again, this is all very modular. You can do whatever you want. And then this shows my outstanding positions. So currently, as you can see, I'm in a position here, 5 lot at an average fill of 217. If you drag this over too, you can see a lot more information, open P&L and all this. You can also customize what you want to see up here. And take out anything that you don't want to see. You can also get rid of any orders here as well, so you can actually, execute orders through here, and then you'll have your trading journal here, which will show you everything that you actually did. Balance up here is pretty straightforward here. You're gonna see what your market value of your long positions are currently, or short positions are as well, where you are P&L wise, and so on and so forth here. Account trading. Then you can onboard this enable one-click trading. So that way you're not going to get the confirmation, right? So if you're already kind of just ready to shoot and go long and do whatever you have to do, you know, you don't need the trade confirmation, okay? So far here, this trade is going against me here. Let's see if it gets stopped out. Remember, my stop here is about $1.97. You never want to change those stops, FYI. Always stay with a mind for risk management, simply because your accounts here, you'll blow out an eval very quickly, and you'll have to pay the reset fee and constantly, okay? So the key to trading this, okay, is to trading the zero-day setups very quickly, taking your profits and your losses very, very quickly. That way you're not at risk of blowing up the account, okay? And that way you can constantly just get the consistency down that you have to, which is, of course, required inside of Vanquish Trader, okay? So, hope this helped you guys out. We'll catch you for the next one.